Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today, we just got hit by a massive hurricane. Not today, but yesterday. This big plant got knocked over. Surprisingly, these plants didn't get knocked over. There's a snail on this plant. So you can see its track. It's now forever in its shell. Look at how much peppers there are. Ooh, this one's leaning. I don't know what to do with that, but big news on my watermelon. As you could probably see there. There's a huge one going. Thanks to help with the hurricane that we had. We now have more water and probably air in a few days. There was more water than there yesterday. It rained all yesterday. Ooh, okay. Right. Where'd that flower go? It's right. Okay. Don't see it. That may be the one. That may be. Oh yeah. One time I counted all the watermelons on this plant. There's like 15. No, way less. 6, 7. Way more than I had last time. But it's getting pretty big. It's starting to vine out this way. Alright. I'm fine. Flowers starting to get pretty big. Also, we discovered that big plant is vine. That's vine. It's stuck to a wall. See? See, you could still see it stuck into a wall. No, I did not step on a snail. Well, I can if I walk away. I don't see anything with that. Shut up, squirrel. Alright, bye guys. I hope you have a great day. Also, I hope you're not in the hurricane that just passed us. Bye.